What's up, guys? This is Gabe from S&P Spin Innovations. Today we're bringing to you a rock crawler. Oh yeah, this thing's pretty crazy. So, crawler belongs to Brian Maloney. Let's do that, back that up. There we go. So, this thing is pretty cool. Got a lot of neat stuff going on in here. And yes, that is a turbo. That's a direct injected V6 4.3 liter Chevy GM motor. So it's kind of a complicated setup. It is going to be drive-by-wire. It is going to be direct injected. And yes, it is going to have a Haltech on it, along with the factory computer and a bunch of other stuff. So let me swing around over here. We got an S-pod going on. We got some wiring going on. We're doing all the wiring here. We got our branches. We're doing DR25 Raychem DR25, and then we put an expanded loom on top of that. And what we're doing is trying to add as much security as possible. So if it chafes, it's got two different levels to go through. So we're still finishing up some wiring. As you can see, we've already done a lot. There's that DR25 right there. So we still got some work to do. It's going to be fastened down like that. Spin this around, advertise what you got. Yep, these are coming right down the center. Everything will be Adele clamped up there. It's going to be a really nice build by the time we're done. The wiring harness, everything's going to be super nice. So as far as the crawler goes, this thing's pretty cool. It's got portals. Axle comes in here. Does a gear-to-gear drop, brings your center line down here, brings your pumpkin up out of the dirt a little bit more, gives you more ride height. So this is a pretty neat build, very cool. Brian Maloney, like I said, he's the owner, fabricator, builder. He built everything that you see, the turbo piping, everything that you see, all the welds. That's all him. It's not his first rodeo, let me tell you. He's well known in the crawler industry. Beautiful work, beautiful craftsmanship. So that's our shop update. We're going to get back to work here, try to get something done, and we're going to try to get this thing done and running and out of here next week. Hopefully, that's the plan. We'll keep you guys posted, get some more videos out there. We'll have it running, driving, that kind of thing. And then he's got a bunch of work he's got to do, and then we got to go out and do some shock tuning. So when we get ready for all that stuff, we'll have more videos. We'll post you guys out there. Follow us on our YouTube channel, Facebook, S&P Spin Innovations, Instagram, Tuned by Gabe, and of course Haltech. Always got love for you guys. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.